What is the Lost SuperFoods program all about? The Lost SuperFoods is a digital program that has been created to serve people in times of crisis. In a world full of uncertainty, you may never know when there is a crisis on the rise. This is exactly why the creator of the Lost SuperFoods guide has listed 126 ways in which you can keep yourself and your family free from starvation. With a rise in difficult situations, lockdowns, natural disasters, and much more, there is an increase in the need for access to such a guide that can help you preserve food and keep stockpiling till the day finally arrives. How does the Lost SuperFoods program work? The Lost SuperFoods is an all-new guide that consists of around 126 ways in which you can stay away from starvation in the worst kinds of situations. The amazing new program has been created to help you and your loved ones to survive and thrive in the toughest of situations. What are the benefits of the Lost SuperFoods program? It is easy to understand and follow. The recipes are easy to understand and create. The methods are extremely cost-effective and don't need much time for preparation. It prepares you and your families for any kind of crisis. It ensures that you may never go hungry once you use the guide as instructed. If you want to know more about the Lost SuperFoods program or want to buy it, link is in the description. Thank you for watching.